Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are fine. And today in this video, I'm also going to share a miraculous story of Istighfar. This story is about a woman who reached the age of 36 years and she wasn't married. She doesn't get marriage proposals. She has problem in it, and she is not getting married. Even she has done so many things. Everyone in the family was married with several kids because they got married on time, and now they have kids, they have happy marital life. All the time she gets this unbearable comments about her age and not being married. People teased her and used to pass negative comments and criticized her. So her own family would say, why are you not married at this age? Who would want to marry you? So she was very upset. At the time she hears this comment, she would just read Istighfar to ease her heart, to make herself relax. She would pray and just open her heart to Allah, about what she is going through. She felt shy complaining about her situation to Allah. She continued her istighfar. She made sure that she reads istighfar every breath she takes, like every moment. She keeps doing istighfar. She keeps doing istighfar in every moment. Wherever she is reading istighfar. Wherever she is going, whatever she is doing with all her works, she keeps saying Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. She started reading so much istighfar that she hated going to places that prevented her from reading istighfar. And she has stopped to meet those people who started laughing on her, and who laughed on her, who criticized on her. So there is no moment that passed her that she wasn't reading istighfar. She stopped unnecessary talking and conversation. She dedicated her time to istighfar. At this point, she is reading so much istighfar that her own family were getting concerned, that they would ask her, what type of sins have you committed to read istighfar every second? Lots of istighfar you are doing, that what you have done, what wrong you have done. Her family kept on questioning her if she is okay. Even her nieces and nephews were asking her if she is okay or not. Why are you saying so much istighfar? Whenever she is walking, everyone avoids her because she is reading istighfar. People giving her weird looks like she is crazy person talking to herself. But she didn't care about what people thought of her. Istighfar made her feel happiness and made her heart feel light. She felt contentment, like she was living in a different world, a world full of barakat and blessings. She felt like she was living in a timeline where sorrows and despair doesn't exist. Istighfar became a major part of her life. She continued reading lots of istighfar. Then one day she met a man, and the man is the same of her dreams. This man was wanted by everyone, that even his business partners would recommended their daughters to him. Every young guy wanted to be like him. He was the role model for every family. This woman felt that she was the luckiest person, and Istighfar blessed her with the most amazing man. They had an amazing Islamic wedding. Everyone congratulated her. How young she looked. Istighfar gave her vitality, youth, beauty, and purity. This story teaches us that no matter what situation you're experiencing, Istighfar will always give more than what you imagine. What can you think? It will give you more than your thoughts. Istighfar will literally bring you the spouse of your dreams. Anyone who does istighfar will get 100 times better than what you ask for. For all the sisters and brothers who want a spouse worthy of marriage, you need to do istighfar, and you will find the special person for your life, for yourself. In any matter of life, in any situation, you are feeling difficulty and you want to get out from it, so just start reciting istighfar and leave the matter on Allah. If you keep saying Astaghfirullah and if you keep asking help from Allah, you will be helped. and you will be helped from unseen and in such a way that you will be thankful to Allah. So just trust on Allah and keep saying Astaghfirullah, keep asking for forgiveness from Allah, and inshallah ta'ala your all dreams will come true. May Allah bless all of us. May Allah accept our prayers. Ameen. Jazakallahu khaira.